And now, it's finally hit the courts. A dramatic split, a battle over custody, and a ruling that could change everything.
In 2017, a sealed legal document was quietly filed in Clark County, Nevada. It involved property, money, and possibly betrayal. But it wasn't until years later that fans started connecting the dots. Could this be the real reason the Brown family began to fall apart long before cameras ever showed it? This is the secret TLC never aired. Welcome to the story they tried to keep out of the show. Welcome back to my Wives Unfiltered channel. A sealed court case, a sudden move, and a family split that shocked millions. In 2017, a legal bombshell shook the Brown family, but no one talked about it. Until now. What were they hiding? And why did TLC stay silent? The case that changed everything. In 2017, something happened behind the scenes of Sister Wives, something viewers were never told. A sealed civil case was filed in Nevada, right in the middle of the Browns' stay in Las Vegas. This wasn't some traffic ticket or business fine. It was categorized under real property, meaning land, homes, or ownership agreements were in question. And just months later, the Browns suddenly announced they were leaving Las Vegas. Could Christine have filed something quietly to protect herself before walking away forever? That move quick, confusing, and
we're just
I
still
don't know
sister
how to
wives.
explain the term, but it is like she's not my sister.
There's a bond
And,
that happened
yeah.
when we raised our kids together.
I think so.
And we chose to do things together because we were a family and because we had these kids together. But now we're choosing to do things with each other because we like the other person.
expensive now makes sense in a new light. Who owned what and why that matters. Fans now ask the uncomfortable question. Was Kody always setting up a future where only he and Robyn had full control? Between the legal marriage, the sealed property filings, and the wives slowly leaving one by one. Could it have all been part of a quiet plan hidden in contracts, not conversations? Let's rewind. The Browns bought 4 homes side by side in a cul-de-sac between 2011 and 2013. Each wife had her own house, but ownership was messy.
Order, but if you're questioning the order of how family came together, she's number 2.
I went in with such ideas about how idyllic plural marriage was going to be.
Robyn's home, titled in her name as the legal wife. Janelle's, she held the mortgage herself. Christine's, possibly held in a family trust. Kody, only legally married to Robyn, meaning he had no automatic rights to the other properties. The wives weren't protected under marriage law. If Christine paid into a home owned by Robyn or a trust, she'd need a legal dispute to claim her portion. And what if she wanted to leave? That's where things get messy, and that might be exactly what happened in 2017.
For years, the sister
What was in the sealed filing?
marriage as a complex but functional lifestyle choice.
While the exact documents remain sealed, legal experts believe the 2017 case likely involved disputes over shared property, a possible mediation between family members, or a restructuring of ownership that triggered disagreements. 3 strong theories have emerged. Theory 1. Christine was preparing to leave. By 2017, Christine had started pulling away. She later said she felt
Through it all,
invisible
Christine's
and
focus
ignored
remained firm. She
and
wanted a
didn't
better
trust
life for
Kody
herself
with the
and her
family's
children.
future.
Her exit was measured.
Could she have
determined,
filed
and rooted
something
in years of
quietly to
quiet
protect her
discontent.
financial stake? Theory 2. Janelle wanted legal clarity. Janelle was the Browns' unofficial CFO, handling finances, taxes, even real estate transactions. If she saw money moving unfairly or property being shifted to Kody and Robyn, she may have used legal action to demand transparency. Theory 3.
Butt heads sometimes.
Kody
pretty
and
severe
Robyn
at
yeah.
were
work.
And so then what would
consolidating
happen is
control.
Separate for a little
Yeah.
bit.
As
Like, I'd
Cody's
stay
only
behind. There was
legal
one
wife,
time
Robyn
everybody
had the
moved to
most
Utah, and I
protection.
wasn't sure I was going to come.
If Kody
So I
and
thought about
Robyn
staying.
tried
I
to
just
restructure ownership to keep Coyote Pass or Vegas homes in their control, the other wives may have seen it as a betrayal. A sealed case would have allowed them to fight it privately, without the public or TLC knowing. Why you didn't see this on TV? So why didn't sister wives ever mention this? The answer is simple. TLC protected the brand. When a case is sealed and TV contracts are involved, networks often agree to leave certain things off air, especially if they involve legal risk, financial misconduct, or anything that breaks the family unity storyline. The signs were all there, but the truth was kept in the shadows. The fallout. What happened after 2017? What followed was a
Listen,
slow
like you're not even
collapse,
culpable in this situation.
one that seemed emotional,
For what?
but may have started legally.
Culpable.
In 2021, Christine left the family and sold her stake in Coyote Pass to Kody for just $10. In 2022, Janelle separated and was left with no home or land in her name. In 2023, Meri ended her marriage with no claims to family property. Only Robyn remained, holding most of the legal control and possibly the financial assets. All of it may trace back to the 2017 legal shakeup. The bigger lesson. What you can learn. This isn't just reality TV drama. It's a lesson in law, trust, and power.
I was following all the scenes.
In any family, especially plural ones, here's what you should know. Verbal promises mean nothing without contracts. Property must be titled fairly. If love ends, only paperwork protects you. Whether you're married, in a domestic partnership, or in a plural home. If you're investing money or property, get it in writing. This story is a real-world warning. Love isn't always legally binding, and when relationships break, the courts don't care about vows, they care about documents. Final thoughts. Why this case still matters. The 2017 legal case may have been hidden, but its impact changed everything. It wasn't just about land. It was about control. It was the moment the cracks beneath the Brown family began to spread quietly, legally, and permanently. They tried to keep it off the show. But now we know the truth.
And love in the relationship.
This was the case.
I'm sorry it's
That broke the
conditional
Browns.
based upon being part
Tap that
of
like button if this
plural
shocked you
family.
and drop A in the comments if you think
I was always-
Christine, Janelle, or Meri deserved better. And hit subscribe because we're not done digging. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more deep dives into untold truths behind reality TV. And tell us in the comments, do you think the Browns ever had a chance after 2017? In our next video, we're diving into how Coyote Pass became a legal trap for the brown women, and how one of them may still be fighting for her peace. Don't miss it. Subscribe with notifications on. Consolidate.